Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to check where you're logged in on Facebook, okay? But before we get started right here, if you're using your phone, your tablet, your MacBook, your laptop, anything other than the computer, please stay on the video because literally the same process, okay? So with this one, please launch any browser of your choice. If you want to use Google Chrome, Safari, may it be if it's even Microsoft Edge, okay? So with this one, open up your browser and of course, let's go to Facebook. Now, once you're in Facebook, you should look for the gear icon. You should look for settings right here, okay? It may take a time to load out. Wait for it, please. Settings and privacy. Hit that gear icon right there. And now we're in settings. Now let's just wait for it to load again. This should be the landing page of your settings, okay? You should see the same screen as I'm seeing right now, even if you're using your phone, tablet, or your MacBook. Next one is gonna be clicking an account center right here. This is in a new edition in Facebook that's called Meta. So that's thing it's connected all throughout Instagram and Facebook. Anyway, click see more in account center right there, and then you should click on this password and security. And under security checks, you'll see where you're logged in, login alerts, recent email, security checkup. That being said, if you click on where you're logged in, you'll see exactly where you are logged in on your Facebook account. That being said, this is how you check where you're logged in on Facebook, okay? May it be a PC, a phone, a tablet, or a laptop. That being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now, guys.